Okay, guys, what rare animal with our cameras are we going to be hunting today?
I don't remember. Nobody does.
Nobody remembers.
Wait, it's a deer.
I don't. It might be a type of deer. I need to do some more research on this. I don't know this animal very well. It looks like a deer, kind of, but more exotic looking. The pronghorn. Yeah! Is everybody excited?
Yeah.
You guys gonna help me film today?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting a video out the window.
Okay, so we have arrived and our adventure is about to begin. The boys are not ready for lunch yet, so we're gonna go ahead and get on our hike. Looks like the weather's holding out, barely. Hopefully, I don't think we're supposed to get more than sprinkles, but there are some light threats of storms, and I'm hoping we'll find some of those pronghorns. The boys have been excited about finding some rare animals, which they're certainly rare where we came from. You see one? Oh.
Behind the mountain.
Okay, we better go climb the mountain, go find that pronghorn. What? We're gonna use the trail. We're not gonna use ropes and climb over the top?
No, we don't even have ropes.
Well, that's a good point. It'd be hard to use ropes we don't have. All right, we're gonna go searching for some pronghorns. Hopefully we'll find some today.
Hello.
Oh, hello. All right, we found a quick trail that I think are for the rock climbers, so we're gonna see where this goes. You got it, bud?
Puppy. Kitty climb.
Kitty climb? Nice. Like that view? Cool. Well, it looks like some people have made a trail going around the tree. You had some sort of riddle you wanted to share?
Yeah.
What you got?
Mr. Green lives in the greenhouse. Mr. Purple lives in the purple house. But who lives in the White House?
Mr. White, obviously.
No, the president.
Oh boy.
What's an astronaut's favorite button on a keyboard?
I don't know. What's an astronaut's favorite button on a keyboard?
The space button.
Oh my god, the space bar. So we ran into a little bit of an issue. This is not where I was planning on coming to find the pronghorns. It's the same national forest, but apparently it's a pretty big national forest. So I got the wrong area. There's not many clearings. It's kind of hard to see any wildlife out here. But we're gonna keep hiking and see if we run into a clearing, and if we don't, I think I figured out where I was before, and maybe if there's time, we'll go over there if we don't find anything. But let's see what we find. Hello. can't figure out why we haven't seen any wildlife.
It's because we're not in wildlife now.
We're not in the wild out here?
Blah, 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 blah.
Probably has nothing to do with everybody's yelling and singing.
We're in blah, blah, blah world.
It's because we're still in the deep city.
We're in the blah, blah, blah world.
Aha.
Blah, 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 blah.
Guys, check this out. Yeah, a little more than just an arrow.
It has eyeballs. Wait, can I see?
Yeah, come look at it, man. What'd you find? Cool.
If it's a black widow, run.
Oh, that's good advice.
That'd be cool.
That'd be really cool. I'd love to be in space.
Me too. I always want to be an astronaut. Water! Woo! Too shallow for any chicken, and it's too dirty for a flounder.
Yeah?
We could see right through it.
I see the truck.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Okay, how many pronghorns did we see today?
0.
0. We didn't find any. Okay. What did you guys see today?
Horse tracks and horse
We saw some scat and some horse tracks and horse poop and all that kind of stuff. What was your favorite parts of today? Climbing on rocks? Okay.
Thomas already knows that.
Tom is trying to sleep right now. Who's the tiredest? All right. Did you guys have a good hike today?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. See you all. Real quick, we interrupt this program. What did we see on the way home off the side of the highway a few different times?
Pronghorn.
Pronghorns. What we were looking for all day, couldn't find. We saw them off the side of the highway. So, what do you think? Should we do a second episode, go out to a better place and try finding them again? Or do you think that was it?
Try again.
Try again? Oh, that sounds very confident. Your heart's behind it. Okay, I guess we're trying again. Maybe.
Not this weekend.
No, not this weekend. No, another time. Another week.
Okay, so on Wednesday?
I don't know, man. I don't know what day.
It's
We'll
next
figure it out.
Wednesday. It's your turn to pick.
Next Wednesday apparently is going to be my turn to pick what we do for the day. So, I guess that's what we're doing. All right.